Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two Faux leather, faux leather actually, bar stools, the 26 inches bar stool that this brand sent to me for this video. And I think you can actually see my cat sleeping over here. That's Tiger Shark sleeping. I'm going to show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that number one, this is a very tall kitchen countertop. This is a 41 inches kitchen countertop. So don't judge the size of this one just by looking at this kitchen countertop, because it is 41 or 42 inches tall, actually. I think so. So these ones are tall. These ones are 26 inches. So they're tall. They're two pieces. They're super easy to assemble. Everything comes explained right here in the instruction manuals. You're not going to have any issues. It's just like 2 pages and everything comes almost ready out of the box. So you're not going to have any issues with the assemble. They're super comfy, 2 pieces, leather-ish right here with the stitches. And by the way, let me actually show it on a close-up. What do you say, Minnie? My cat is here too. So things that I like about this shoe, number one, as I was telling you before, this really nice leather-ish feels. They're super soft, but also padded. They're well padded right here. You're gonna see that these are super nice padded right here on the centerpiece, but also padded right here on the back. And with this combed shape, is gonna give you a really nice support when you're sitting. And of course, it also comes with this kind of like really nice stitches that you can see out of a plain size. So that is a kind of like a stylish thing, as well as this cover right here on the back with the combed shape as well. And as I was telling you before, the combed shape over here is going to give you a really nice support when sitting. You can see this one right here that comes a really nice support kind of like right here in my lower back area. But also right here with the footrest, you're going to actually have the chance to sit comfortably and perfectly for having dinner, for having breakfast, for having lunch, and have this foot over here up in the air and not kind of like hanging down here if you're not super tall, hanging down here. So kind of like, I do like that. They're supported like 300 pounds almost. So I want to say that this is kind of like a really nice support as well for your weight. And of course, it's going to give you that really nice lower back support over here as well. So I kind of like this too. They're super comfy. They also comes with this really stylish leather-ish feel. Really good assemble and easy assemble. 2 pieces, 26 inches tall. And of course, with the firm structure with also the footrest right here. I like them. I do recommend them with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.